What is up, YouTube? Robert Dunbar here, Training by Dunbar. Welcome again to another video. This one may be somewhere between maybe 10 to 15 minutes because I got a couple things I'm going to be doing here. Robert Dunbar, Training by Dunbar, going over Health is Success 2021, the new book we released on the 3rd of January, guys. So on this video, we're going to be doing some unboxing on a water filter that I have from Amazon, and we're going to also talk a little bit about the chapter which is on hydration and how important water is to your success. So look, if this is your first time being on our channel, please make sure you subscribe. Bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit the subscribe button. If you want notifications, hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know of the 3 videos that we drop every week. Sometimes we do more than 3, but typically 3 videos a week. Monday we do a CDLP selling strategies video and training for about an hour. On Wednesdays we do an entrepreneurial training called Becoming an Entrepreneur, and we touch on everything from mindset to branding to leadership on that training. And then coming in February on Thursdays, we do a live training on nothing but leadership, guys. So 3 days a week we'll be doing live video trainings. On Mondays it's 8:30 to 9:30 Eastern time. On Wednesdays it's 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern time, and on Thursdays it'll be 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on, we're now even on Clubhouse, follow us on Facebook, we're Becoming an Entrepreneur. We're on LinkedIn as well as Training by Dunbar, and it's really a way to make sure you get the information that we're putting out here as we release ebooks, as we release different information that'll help you become successful in your business. And in 2021, we're looking at doing some things that are about health and success. So we have something called becoming, not just becoming an entrepreneur, but becoming a healthier entrepreneur, or what we call becoming a healthier entrepreneur. So you'll see here I got some pages of the ebook, right? Water is the way to health success, and we're going to talk a little bit about that, and then we're going to also do an unboxing. So over here I've got my little Amazon box, and I was waiting to open up this filter. I waited to shoot this video, so I haven't used it yet, but I will be unboxing it here on this video. And you can put in the comments what water filtration system you use. If you believe in water filtration systems, go ahead and let us know. Put it in the comment which one you're using, how it's helping. When I unbox the one that I'm unboxing, go ahead and let us know whether or not you have any comments on that, whether you've used it, whether you know anything about the reviews, and I'll tell you why I chose that one. This was actually a gift because I was on the phone talking to someone and telling them I was about to order this filtration system, and before I can even order it, they ordered it and had it sent to me. So it was really a gift, so I'm going to be opening it up, but it was the reason why I chose this particular water filter. And then the book, in the chapter talking about water as a way to success, you'll hear me talk a little bit about why water filters are sometimes used, because some people don't believe in using water bottle because what it does to the environment, things of that nature. So I wanted to make sure we touched on all those things in the book. And it's not only about 6 pages in this chapter, but it's full of good information. So we're going to talk a little bit about that as well as do that unboxing. So we know that for a lot of times men and women, it varies on how much water they should be taking in. So you'll see right here in the pages of this book where it's got 15.5 cups, or 3.7 liters for men, and about 11.5 cups, or 2.7 liters of water for women every day. And it should be a little bit more if you have a condition, or a little bit more if you're working out. If you're working out pretty heavily for about an hour a day, you should be doing more hydration because you're releasing more water, right? You're dehydrating when you're sweating. So, and by the way, that came from the Mayo Clinic, that statistic. So I talk about several different factors: exercise and environment, pregnancy and breastfeeding, and how that can sometimes change how much water or how much hydration a woman will get. And I'm not going to tell you everything in the book, obviously, because you guys are not going to get the book. But this is only a chapter in the book. We talk about overall health in the book. We talk about even hydrating during COVID-19, or if you're just generally sick with the fever, how you should hydrate under those circumstances. All good stuff, right? And how you know whether you're hydrated. Another important thing, how do you know whether or not whether you're dehydrated? Whether you know whether you're dehydrated, what signs do your body see you? Things like dark yellow and strong smelling urine, right? dry mouth or skin thirst, headaches, and poor concentration. A lot of times, headaches will be a main symptom of you being dehydrated. So those are the things that we cover as well in the book. Keep this organized here. Well, we talk a little bit about drinking too much water, right? Because you can do too much of anything. So we call that water intoxication. So we talk a little bit about that, what the signs are for water intoxication and things of that nature. So you definitely want to pick up this book, guys. The book is $9.98. It's not expensive at all. In the description, you'll see on the bottom, when you click on that description, you'll see the link to get the book. You'll also see the link to the water filtration system that I'm going to unbox here. That'll all be there where you can go right to Amazon and get it yourself. So I'll have all those things in the description as well as more things about what is in the book, or particularly what is in this chapter of the book. So it'll be a quick write-up on the book and then a thing on the description. So on this chapter. So just check the description, you get that information. If you're planning to hydrate, guys, this is what we're talking about. Right? Using a fun bottle if you're going to plan to hydrate to kind of make it interesting. Some people don't like to drink a lot of water, so we wanted to make sure that you had some things that you can do that will really increase the chances of you doing it. Bringing water to work. Using the water drinking mobile apps to remind you when you need to drink water. And also using smartphone widgets to remind you as well. And a lot of times your smartphone will have things on it already. I know I've talked about the Under Armour app, but that I use MyFitnessPal. I put how much water I drink in that app as well. And I've also got about 2.5 pages of conclusive tips on consistent hydrating, guys, right? Consistent and convenient hydrating. And I go over everything from keeping a case of water in the house or having a filtration system to things like drinking 4 before, which is drinking 4 glasses of water as soon as you get up in the morning and drinking 4 glasses of water before you go to bed at night. I also talk about hydrating while you're dehydrating. What does that mean? Every time you go to the bathroom, drink a glass of water. So when you get up and go to the bathroom, use the bathroom, right? And then get a glass of water because you just dehydrated. Hydrate yourself. You're doing that for 2 reasons. One, you're hydrating when you're dehydrating. 2 is setting a reminder for you that, hey, I just used the bathroom. I need to drink a glass of water. And guess what's going to happen then? The more you use the bathroom, because as you drink more water, it's going to force you to use the bathroom more, which is going to then force you to drink more water. So, right, it works really well for you if you do that. So pick up that pick up the book, read that chapter, find out how to hydrate. If you're having headaches right now, it could be because you're dehydrated. Those are things that can be fixed when you drink more water. Of course, go see a doctor, talk to a doctor about other medical issues that you may be having. I'm not a doctor. I don't prescribe to be one, but I am telling you that hydration does work for your skin. It does work for your health. It does work in the realm of success, because the healthier you are, the more you can be successful. The less time you spend in a doctor's office is the more time you can spend in your actual business office or with your family and friends, because your business is doing well. So health is success, and we want to become a healthier entrepreneur. So let's get to some unboxing real quickly here on this water filter. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this over here. Of course, I got this from Amazon, and I also picked up 2 additional water filters to go in it after the one runs out that comes with it. I believe there's one already in there, but I have 2 extra ones too. So what I did was I did the Waterdrop, and you'll see here, well, you may not be able to see here, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but this is one of the reasons why I chose the Waterdrop, because they have a program where when you purchase the Waterdrop, they do an equal amount of water, a clean water donation to an African country. Particularly on this box it says Kenya, Africa. It says, with every purchase of Waterdrop product, we will provide 1 child in need with a day of clean water. And I know some of you may be thinking a day of clean water is not a whole lot, but if you live in any country that's not considered a third world country or a third world nation, wherever you're at in the world looking at this video, understand a day of clean water is a big deal. I live in the United States, and I think about all the time how much water I use just taking a shower, right? When we take showers and baths, like that's water that we're using to clean ourselves. And sometimes the water that they're drinking in other countries, it doesn't even, they couldn't even They couldn't even, like the water that we take a bath in or we bathe in and clean ourselves in is cleaner than the water that they drink in some of these other countries sometimes. So when I look at being able to purchase something that does good for the world, it makes a big deal for me. So one of the main reasons why I chose this company was simply because they do the clean water donation, 1 day of clean water for somebody in Kenya, Africa, when I bought this water, or when it was purchased for me, because this one was a gift. So, like I said, you can make a lasting difference in someone's life today. We are glad for your purchase. Let's make the change together, guys. So that was one of the main reasons why, guys. So let's go ahead and get some. Let me make sure there's nothing else on here that I need to let you guys know. So every filter, right, will filter 200 gallons of water. So let's do some math here real quick, right? Where I'm at, 10 minutes. Let's do some math here real quick. Pull my calculator up. Because what I want to see is, like, what am I saving, right, on bottled water? So 5 times most filters, 40 gallons. So you're getting 200 gallons of water. And a gallon of water is what? About 128 ounces is a gallon of water, right? So 128 ounces is a gallon times 200 gallons is about 25,000 ounces of water, right? 25,000 ounces of water. So typically when I buy water, I get a 32 bottle count, and my bottles are 20 ounces a piece, right? 20 ounces a piece. So 20 ounce bottles times 32 bottles is 640 ounces. So when I buy a case of water, I'm basically getting 640 ounces on in a case. So 25,000 divided by 640. 25,000 divided by 640 is 39. So basically it's about 39 cases. So one filter, right, for this water filtration pitcher, right, which holds 10, it's a 10 cup pitcher. So when I fill this up with water and put the filter in there, it'll give me 10 cups of water, right, when I do that. But the actual filter will filter 200 gallons. So for me, that's 39, right? That's 39 cases of water. So 39 cases of water times 398, that'll be $155 for me. $155. So $155 of water is 200 gallons. I want you guys to hold that, remember, right? $155 is what I pay for 200 gallons of water through water bottles. And with this water filter, right, one filter does 200 gallons, and this water filter pitcher was about 25 bucks, and I can get replacement filters for about $8 a piece, guys. For about $8 a piece. So the 2 water filters I got plus this ran about $45 to $50, and it was free shipping because the person that sent it used Prime, Amazon Prime. So you're talking about less than 50 bucks, and that's with 2 to 3 filters. So we're talking about 400 to 600 gallons, because I'm assuming that there's a filter already in this, right? Let me see if it is. Let me look on the box and see if it is. It removes lead, removes fluoride, removes chlorine, 7-stage filtration. If anybody knows of some other filtration systems, drop them in the comments, right? I'm always open. I'm not, and by the way, just so you guys know, full disclosure, I am not at all doing any kind of affiliation with Waterdrop. They don't know I'm doing this video. They didn't send me this. I'm not being paid to do this video. I'm just doing it because this is what I do. So there's no, I don't have any affiliation with them where if you put other things down in the comment, I'm gonna let them stay in there. If anybody wants to order from somewhere else, feel free. I'm just telling you that this is why I got this one. I don't see here where it says whether or not there's a filter in there, but guess what? We're about to unbox it, so we're gonna see, right? How about that? Check this thing out. So this came a couple days ago, and I've been dying to do this, so I'm like wanting my water. So here's my owner's manual, right? Got my owner's manual in here. You just pull it out of here. So this is how it comes, wrapped in the plastic with the foam cover. Let's see what we got here. All right, so correct. If you notice, inside it had a filter already. So this came with a filter. And I also have 2 replacement filters that I paid for. So these 2 filters in the box, this costs about $15, about $15.50 or something like that, through Amazon. So you're getting 2 more, so you're getting 3. So that's 600 gallons, guys. So 600 gallons of bottled water would cost me $465. $465 if I bought 600 gallons of bottled water, which would be 39 cases. So that's basically me buying 40, 80, 120 cases of bottled water. Not to mention I had to carry all that water up the stairs, right? Because I live on the 3rd floor. I have to carry it all up the stairs. And guess what? 32 bottles times 120 cases of recycled plastics, for those that are concerned about the environment. Where with my water pitcher, I got 1 water pitcher, I got 3 filters, and all I do is switch the filters out after every 200 gallons of water. So that's my little quick unboxing on my Waterdrop water pitcher that I'm going to be using. And that is one of the options inside of this conveniently hydrating tips, right? Using a water filter as an option when you're looking to to hydrate. And y'all know I'm not going to edit this video, so all the mistakes I'm making, y'all going to have to just get them because I'm transparent, right? So, like I said, track with drinking water apps. You can always do that. 2 glasses during your workout if you're working out, or get like a big jug. So let me show you guys something here. And just so you guys know, I keep regular bottled water in the refrigerator, keep bottled water over here. So before I got my water filter, I was going through a lot of water, guys. I was going through about a case every 3 days. Because I go through about 10 bottles, 10, 20-ounce bottles of water daily here. So, and I work from home, so most of the time I'm in the house drinking. So I've got a couple of different things that I use when I work out. This is my little workout cabinet here with all of my workout utensils. So this is a water bottle that I'll sometimes take to the gym with me, and this holds about 1.5 bottles of water by towel. It keeps it cold. This is a bigger one that I carry. This will hold 2 20-ounce bottles of water, which is really 5 cups, because you figure 40 ounces at an 8-ounce glass of water, right? So 8 times 5 is 40, right? That's still 40, right? Yeah. So that's 40. So 2 20-ounce bottles of water will fit in here in my thermos, and I keep this in the refrigerator. I take this with me when I work out. So when I finish my workout drink, I'll then drink this bottle of water while I'm still at the gym, or this container of water. And if I don't finish it while I'm working out, I'll certainly finish it on the drive back home from the gym, or back up from my gym that's downstairs. And this is equivalent to 5 cups of water. This is equivalent to, this is a whole 30 ounces. So this is equivalent to 8 goes in 30 how many times? Almost 4 times. So this is, I would just say 3.5. 3.5 glasses of water, and this will hold 5 glasses of water. So those are just some tools that I use when I'm working out to make sure that I stay hydrated. And I always keep some cold water in a refrigerator, as well as some room temperature water, because it depends on what mood I'm in, what I like. So again, guys, this was talking about the chapter. I want to definitely finish before 20 minutes. This was definitely talking about the chapter on hydration, which is H2O, water is the way to health success. So make sure you pick up the book, guys. $9.98, less than $10, less than 2 cups of coffee at an expensive coffee place, right? We know the name of the expensive places. And remember to plug into our channel. 3 live videos a week, entrepreneurial video, leadership video, and CDLP selling strategies, guys. Subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner. hit the notification bell, follow us, comment if you have anything that you can put in that's helpful to what we're talking about here in the comment section. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. This is Robert Dunbar with Training by Dunbar, signing off. How you eat is how you live.